The universe is unimaginably vast, with billions of stars and planets scattered across countless galaxies. If alien civilizations exist somewhere out there, how advanced could they be? How would we even measure their level of technological progress? Enter the Kardashev Scale, a scientific framework that categorizes civilizations based on their energy consumption and technological capabilities. Welcome to Grossdenken, my friends. In this video, we'll explore the Kardashev Scale, its different levels, and what it tells us about the potential for advanced extraterrestrial life. Please support this channel by just subscribing. That would mean a great help. The Kardashev scale was proposed in 1964 by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev. He suggested that the development of a civilization could be measured by the amount of energy it uses. The idea is simple. The more energy a civilization can harness, the more advanced and capable it is. Kardashev originally defined 3 types of civilizations, but modern scientists have expanded the scale to include additional levels. Let's break them down. A Type 1 civilization is capable of harnessing all the energy resources available on its home planet. This includes solar, geothermal, wind, and fossil fuels, essentially every form of energy Earth has to offer. Currently, humanity isn't even at Type 1 yet. According to physicist Carl Sagan, who refined the Kardashev scale, Earth is approximately at Type 0.72, meaning we've harnessed only a fraction of the energy available on our planet. To become a Type 1 civilization, we'd need to increase our energy consumption by several orders of magnitude while transitioning to sustainable and efficient technologies. A Type 2 civilization would be capable of harnessing the total energy output of its star. Imagine capturing all the energy emitted by the sun, which produces about 3.8 times 10 to the power of 26 watts every second, enough to power billions of advanced civilizations. One possible way to achieve this would be through a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that surrounds a star and absorbs its energy. While this might sound like science fiction, scientists have seriously considered the concept as a way to detect advanced alien civilizations. If a Type 2 civilization exists, it would have unimaginable technological capabilities, such as colonizing its entire solar system, terraforming planets, and building massive space habitats. A Type 3 civilization would take things to an entirely different level by harnessing the energy output of an entire galaxy. This means, controlling and utilizing energy from billions of stars, black holes, and other celestial phenomena. Such a civilization would likely be able to travel across the galaxy, colonizing star systems and possibly even altering the structure of the galaxy itself. They might develop technologies that manipulate space-time, like warp drives or wormholes. In the Milky Way, a Type 3 civilization could use roughly 4 times 10 to the power of 37 watts of energy. Detecting such a civilization might involve looking for signs of massive energy consumption, such as unusual infrared emissions caused by Dyson spheres surrounding multiple stars. Since Kardashev's original work, scientists have speculated about civilizations even more advanced than Type 3. So, a Type 4 civilization, for instance, would be capable of harnessing the energy of, an entire galaxy cluster, or maybe even the entire universe. Such a civilization would operate on a truly cosmic scale, potentially controlling things like dark matter and dark energy. And then there's the idea of a Type 5 civilization. Some theorists have imagined a civilization capable of manipulating energy from multiple universes, basically becoming a multiversal civilization. While these levels are, purely speculative, They really stretch our imagination about what's possible in the universe. Advancing on the Kardashev scale isn't easy. Each step requires solving enormous technological, environmental, and social challenges. For humanity to reach Type 1, we'd need global cooperation, sustainable energy solutions, and honestly, the ability to manage our planet's resources efficiently. The Kardashev scale also raises some pretty profound questions. For example, if Type 2 or Type 3 civilizations exist, why haven't we found evidence of them? This is actually part of the Fermi paradox, which asks, where is everyone? Are advanced civilizations so rare that we're alone, or are they perhaps hiding from us? If Type 2 or Type 3 civilizations exist, they could be so advanced that their technology, well, appears almost magical to us. They might have the ability to manipulate stars, build artificial planets, or even transcend physical forms entirely. However, their goals and motivations might be way beyond our understanding. Would they be peaceful explorers, or maybe just indifferent to other life forms like us? The Kardashev scale is a fascinating way to think about technological progress, not just for humanity, but for the possibility of alien civilizations out there. While we're still far from reaching even Type 1, the scale reminds us of what's possible if we continue to innovate and explore. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Kardashev scale. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what do you think humanity's future looks like on this scale?